AG Labs, my name is Ben. Hello, good morning. Welcome to the micro soldering show on a beautiful Tuesday. On a beautiful Tuesday. And today in the morning, I just want to start with you with an iPhone 7. Today in the morning, some police officers will come here with a phone out of crime, with a phone which was involved in crime. And we have to see if we can get the data out of it. So I'm really happy to do that. And yeah, I'm happy to see them officers later here in the shop. I try to get some photos for Instagram. Okay, so today in the morning we start with an iPhone 7, which was mailed in because it just got no function at all. I just opened the device and then I thought, oh, okay, you could do a video about that. So let's check what about this phone. The first thing I always do on phones which are coming in and they just don't work at all, I just get on the ICC Pro and having a look if we got a problem with the USB control IC or with the lines which I can measure for the USB control IC. And they are fine, 5VO is fine too, okay? So I already opened the device, but I did nothing. So I disconnect, or before I disconnect the battery, I just have a look for charging current. Okay, nothing. So then I just disconnect the battery and I have a look for a test point. In this case, test point for VDD main. Then I just take my amp meter and my multimeter and let's check for a short. Okay, what about if we measure in ohm? Okay, that's close to ground. Or no, that's not close to ground because I just here. Okay, we have 1.2 mega ohms, so that's not close to ground. Okay, what about if we try to boot by using the power supply? Because we have no charging current, we have no problems on the 6 lines which we can measure from the lightning to the USB control IC. But what about a boot? Okay, we have no short on VCC and directly 1.8 amps on boot. So we have no short on VCC main or VDD main in this case. We go directly to 1.8 amps. We have no current flow. So that's for me, I think we have a problem on 3VO NAND. So let's see if this is really the problem. I didn't took the board out until now. The only thing I did is was just opening the screen and then I thought, oh, okay, you could do a video today in the morning. Why I didn't recognize this before. So not just another VDD main short. I first thought because as I was measuring, I think I came here on the ground. So first I thought, okay, but no, we are not close to ground and we have no short. So I think we could have a problem corresponding to the 1.8 amps on boot on 3VO NAND. Let's see if this is really the case or not. And let's see how fast we can solve that. By the way, within the next 2 days we get complete new prices for end customers for soldering work on our website, and for the B2B partners we get price lists with competitive prices. So we changed the whole prices we changed, and just had a look for how old is the device and how much can a repair take on money. So I think for the German B2B partners it's really interesting to see that, and for the German end customers and for the end customers all around the world too. Okay, so now we just check by thermal cam. Whoa! Andy's water bottle. So greets to my friend Dr. CPU Fix in Iran. Would be great to have you here, by the way. But it's a hard thing to get you out of this country. One of the best in this game. Okay, because I saw 1.8 amps on the power supply, I think And it's like I said, it's just a short on an end line. You see that? So I just get that. iPhone 7 short on 3VO NAND. Do you see that? Cap is lighting up, baby. So now for just locating the cap better, we just go under the microscope, getting the board into a board holder. And let's see. Here should be one of these caps. To see that better, I just get the overfill away. Just need to have right tweezers for doing that. I think should be one of these caps here. And I take a little bit of hot air to get it much easier. And then we check again by thermal. So it's one of my favorite works because it doesn't take much time. The customer is happy because he got the important data. It's a repair which is cheap for the customer, easy to do, and you get a fully working device. I like long repairs too, but in this case these are short repairs which are really nice to do. So I just get the underfill or overfill, like you want to see, away, and then we just check again by thermal to see if we can see more than. Okay. Oh, I was at the wrong side. But not a problem. I just was at the wrong side with my scraping free. But that's not a problem. We are all humans, I think. Okay. Taking away the overfill here. Should be in that area. Okay, and again, checking by thermal. And now you can see it on the point. Here you can see the cap on the point, iPhone 7 short on 3VO NAND, the cap in the middle. Okay, so I think we just get out the cap. Okay, it has been gone away. Goodbye, cap. I will renew the sticker later on the top, so not a problem. You see, this was me. I will renew the sticker later. Done. Now we just use some flux. And our JBC needs to be with a small tip and 183 paste. See that? 1 and 2. Get away. So that's nice. Then just a little point of solder here. Small amount, okay. And we clean. Okay. Here we got a little bit of underfill. Not a problem. Let me take a picture for Instagram. So, then we have to take a matching cap. Oh, I get some messages here. And where's my matching cap? Here. Okay. Oh, this was the old one, I think. This was the old cap. I don't like to get the old shorted cap back. Here we got a new one. Okay. Hey, come on, baby. Come on in here. Just a little bit. Oh, there is no space here. Okay. And I just want to get it out because we don't have enough space here. See that? It's normally really no problem, but we had a little bit much solder here. So just get the solder away here and get the solder away here. Okay, that's fine. A little bit more flux. And a cap. Sometimes easy things like that take more time than bigger repairs, you see. But not a problem. We will fix that. Done. Okay, just a little bit too much solder on the pads on the bottom. So I think this looks fine. So now we have to take some UV. and we just seal them caps. We don't need to, but in this case I want to. So, okay. Just using some UV light. Done, and you see that's a nice repair, clean, coated. So now we just check if our phone wants to work again and if our customer can use the phone in a full way. I will renew the stickers on the front and on the back later, like in every repair I do. So the board looks like really clean and nobody can see you worked on that. And now we just try to boot the phone. And we should see an apple in a second. Boom! Back to life again. iPhone 7. I just want to connect the front camera because I want to boot the phone completely. And otherwise the ambient light sensor doesn't work, and we have a dark screen, and we want to have a bright screen, okay? So, not a big repair. Long time for a small repair, 17 minutes, but I just wanted to do it really slow with you, so you can see every step, how I do the diagnose, how I directly know it's a short-on 3VO without completely disassembling the device. For me, it's just if I see 1.8 amps, normally it's just a short-on 3VO NAND, and I can find and fix it fast. Okay, so okay, here the phone is back to life again. We got all the important data. The phone is fully working. I will just clean the whole board, renew the glue stickers, getting the phone back together, and then the phone can back home to the customer with all the important data. I hope you liked the video. If you want to learn things like that easily, you can do that at our module 1, the secrets of microsoldering at the bottle level repair school. And if you're working in the smartphone or tablet repair industry, you can just join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair from Japan. I would be happy to see you there, but please answer the questions, otherwise we can't accept you. And if you're working in the industry, you need the amazing ICC Pro. Check it, okay? I'm out. We see us with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben.